fucking dog is driving me nuts. Oh my god, this fucking dog, I'm gonna... I wonder what we're gonna do here. Want to see what happens when we retest this 812 area again. I'm so tired today. Seen red come in right here off that 810 area. Open is in 3 minutes. All right, let's get it, boys. 9:30. Trying to break this high here. Oh wow, are we gonna market gonna break all-time highs here? Shocker. My coffee's cold already. And there goes highs. This thing's moving quick. Some green coming in here. We're about to literally break all-time highs again. This is crazy. You could see once we cleared 810 here, we just ripped up. I'm gonna let this settle down for a little bit. Audio check? Why do I sound so low? Hello, hello, hello. Here comes all-time highs. Huh. Yo. Yo, can you pull up my my YouTube when you get a second? And just tell me if the audio's loud or not. For some reason, it seems low on my end. Thank you. Yeah, dude, I moved my whole thing around. I'm trading in my bedroom right now. Fucking hate it. I don't know how long. Yeah, it's gonna be at least a few weeks. They were closing on a spot, and then I don't know if it went through yet or not. Oh, you could just go in this thing called Deafen. It's the little button with the headset next to your name in bottom left. It's right next to the turn off microphone. Yep, you're good. Yeah, yeah, that's Deafen. Yep, yep, yep. Go ahead. All right, yeah. Audio check. Audio check. Anthony, let me know if you could hear me in the YouTube. Oh, the audio's good. All right, good to know, brother. Thank you. Dude, these all-time highs are crazy. Yo, honestly, taking a stab at ES here, it looks pretty promising. Hmm. Wow, this candle flips red, huh? Wow, look at this wick on Nasdaq here. This Nasdaq wick is nasty on the 15. Yo, what's goody? What up, what up? Let's get it. Oh, nice. Now you chilling. Holy shit. Uh-huh. Yeah, it's like different types of concrete and shit, right? And stuff. Or not specifically concrete, but same concept, I'm saying, yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, 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 I got you. That's crazy. Oh, that mess, bro, is probably crazy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And now it's like you got to deal with this shit right before you go home. Oh, no. Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, yeah, that's your mess. It's like, yeah, it's like it's you don't take care of it, you get fired. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, I feel you. Uh-huh. That's mad work. Yeah, I feel you. Nah, let me just get this shit out the way. Yeah, like get out of my way, let me hustle. Hmm. Yeah, now it's hitting you. Yeah, bro. Yeah, big facts. Yo, and oh, good. Yeah. No, 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 you good. Yo, and I grabbed the long right here on the hold at 810, and then I literally closed it at 802 for a fucking 8 point loss, and then it shoots right back up. Yeah, bro, the ES longs actually looked better than the NAS longs. That's what I was saying earlier. I'm giving this a second. We're still in the first 15 minutes of open here. Yo, Anthony, have you met my boy Al? Me and him are on a call all the time. He's one of the guys I'm actually doing private mentorship with. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Yes, yes, yes. There you go. Grab me some red here on NAS. You worked the OT last night? 24. Yeah. Dude, I honestly wish that I had like a schedule like that. Like, yeah, it's like, granted, I trade full time now for 7 years, but it's like, it would be nice to have like, okay, yeah, I'm making 100K a year with health benefits, and all I have to do is work Mondays and Saturdays. You know what I'm saying? Like that schedule is so dope, especially if you could knock it out on the weekends. I know it rotates, but some reds coming in here on Nasdaq, and yeah. Honestly, we're testing a support level right here at 790. 790's been a key level for us for a long time. We're bouncing kind of right off of it, and we only shot up like 8 points off of it. But it's funny, 790 was actually my buy target on that, but I wasn't sure if we were going to get it, so I was like, oh, let me try 810, which was the next area. Broke right through 810 to 790. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Honestly, bro, like markets are gonna go a little fucking wild, I think, today. Yeah, that's why. It's at the market close. Yeah, it's always at close. It's never at any random time. It's always after 4 p.m. Sometimes they'll delay it if they need an extra few minutes, or like if they're doing multiple reports in the same day. Like if Amazon and Apple are both reporting it the same day, they're not gonna fucking crash the systems and overwhelm everything. You know what I'm saying? Like they're gonna yes, split them up a little bit. It's just too much orders. So Al, to pretty much explain that to you, stocks every single quarter, they report this thing as a earnings report, and there will be like expectations for them. Like, okay, yeah, like last quarter, you guys made 125 billion, and you said that you're expected to increase sales by 5%. So we're expecting, 132 billion this quarter. And then, like, typically, if the stock does better than it was expected, or it announces like a new product release or anything like that, the stock like skyrockets. So we could see like literally like today at the market close, we see Nvidia report earnings, which is like the people that make like the computer chips and shit like that, and the graphics cards and the AI technology and all that shit. And that stock has been booming. They became the largest company in the world. Their stock price went from like $150 a share to 950 in 18 months. 18 months, bro, it did that. You're still holding, right? Oh, you're probably up like 100 grand on that position, right? Okay. Here comes that fucking green right off that 790, bro. Not to cut you off, sorry. Dude, right off 790, like I fucking said too, and I hesitated. Damn, that's a 400-hour trade I just missed. Oh, good. That's not normal for a company to go. Yeah, that's not company from a company to go like its market cap, like how much it's worth. It went from like fucking 500 billion to 3 trillion, and became the largest company in the world. Because everybody's like, oh shit, AI is about to take over. And it's fucking hard to bet against fucking AI, dog. Like that shit is very, that shit is the future. Yeah. Damn, I wish I fucking stayed in that trade or fucking got in at 790. Nice. What's your entry on that? You said you're in ES or NQ? Nice. Uh, MES, we need to break 5343. That's my next area of interest. And then 5347. So 43 and 47 is what I'm watching here on ES. It looks a little bit weaker today, though, I must say, because it's like every time we have like a big red candle on the 15, it's followed by like a retest of the high of that candle and then a slight pullback. A retest of the high of the candle and a slight pullback. Retest of the high of the candle, slight pullback. It looks like we're starting to break that trend now, though, with the lower highs. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It looks like this is the strength of this last 15-minute candle looks like the reversal, which was the opening candle, which is the opening print. It's typically strong. Bro, I've been noticing the moves either at open, like the first hour is volatile and busy, and then the rest of the day is just choppy sideways. Yeah, just choppy, bro. It's like not going nowhere, not doing shit. Oh shit, let me log out real quick. I gotta do something. Oh, nice, dude. Good for you guys. It's been like that here for about 80 years. Dude, and it's always nice in Florida. So I've heard. Yeah. Yo, Ant, dude, these dogs, man, driving me nuts. Holy shit, bro. Dude, he's only a year old. He just turned one like a few weeks ago. Yeah, he's like 140 pounds. He's got another 15 pounds of muscle to put on. He like his frame is as big as he'll be, but like he's gonna full out now. Like he still looks fair, like relatively thin compared to my last Connie Corso. I've had this breed of dog for 14 years. So it's like I know how to handle him. It's just a fucking pain in the ass. But yeah, dude, fucking the puppy wants to play with Ace, but doesn't realize that Ace is 20 pounds and he's 140. So it's like us literally trying to play tag with a fucking car. Like it just doesn't work. like literally just doesn't fucking work. So fucking the dog jumps like on or at Ace to like play with them, grabbing some green here. And then fucking Ace is like, yo, back the fuck up, dog. You almost crushed me. And then like growls and tries to like fucking like tell him to back up. Yeah, nice green. We're about to clear the all-time highs again for the 1 millionth time last fucking month. But yeah, so the dogs were fighting like 3 in the morning last night, where I literally got woken up out of a dead sleep because of it, and like my heart was like racing because I thought they were fucking killing each other. That's what it sounded like. I run out there, I sprint inside, and I grab fucking Ace, I bring him in the bedroom and slam the door. And then Ace is so annoying that fucking he scratched at the bedroom door literally all night long and laid in front of it trying to get out. And woke me up like 3 times trying to get out of the room. And I'm like, I don't know how I'm going to deal with this for months or weeks or even days. But it's okay. We're going to make it work. Yo, what's good, Emax? Yeah, Max is literally saying in the chat right now, he's like, damn, I wish you got in at 790 when you called that. And I was like, I fucking know. $7.97 still a great entry. Making all-time highs again. Here we go. We're breaking out. Of course, I close my long for a loss, and then I don't buy at the bottom. Yeah, I'm not chasing this, nah. The trend does look like it's swapped, though, on ES. That, like, lower high trend is now. It's starting to make higher highs. Dude, I keep fucking hesitating. I don't know why. My next pullback area where it's a potential buy is going to be the 810 area where I originally stabbed. We're like 5 points away from that. Ant, what's your ideology on this trade? And then if it breaks below it, close it. $800, $795. See, that's the crazy thing. It's like 810 is an intraday support level, right? And then it's like 800 is the psychological support level, and then the previous support level 790. So it's like, where do you place your stop loss there? Because it's like you already know the wicks on that is going to be crazy going into those order blocks. The dog right now are going nuts. Yeah. Yeah, you got a good entry on it. Big opening morning pop and then like not much afterwards. Yeah, it's not giving you any levels. There's no momentum, nothing. Yeah. Yeah, it's like your chances of it's like as a trader, our job is to find high probability situations and setups. You know, I always compare trading, like everyone's like, "Oh, trading is gambling." I'm like, "No, it's not." Trading is very similar to having a counting card strategy as a professional blackjack player. If you could count cards, the odds are in your favor to beat the casino in the house. Does not mean you're going to win every single hand. It's a probability game. It's okay, out of 100 hands, I'm back tested and proven to win 70% of the time. As long as you're over 51%, you're profitable. Ace, you gotta cut it out, buddy. This fucking dog is driving me nuts. Zeus is crying at my door right now because it's closed, and Ace is crying to get out. Let's see what we do here. See, my question now is, where do you get out of this Nasdaq trade? Because the next thing I was going to mention, was like I use S&P 500 a lot for my Nasdaq trades. I'm thinking like maybe get out of Nasdaq once ES approaches that 5347 area. You know what I'm saying? Because it's like, okay, now we're testing the overall market highs. If I was in that trade at 790, bro, I would still probably be holding it until probably like 850, or that would be my target at least. We're grabbing some nice green here again. Fuck, man. 852. Yeah. Yeah, I'll do your thing, bro. That's why I hate trading at all-time highs. That's why everyone keeps asking me, like, oh, what do you think Nvidia is going to do? And I'm like, I think Nvidia is going to rip, but I'm hoping it crashes. Because if it crashes, it comes down into intraday levels again. And then we have something as day traders to work with. We have no data to work with at all-time highs. Bro, honestly, dude, you did the right thing. Like, even if it continues going higher, you still did the right thing. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. I wouldn't. And yo, dude, they're gonna do a stock split soon. Watch, I promise you. No, well, no, that's if they do a 1 to 2 stock split. They might do a 1 to 5, a 1 to 10, depending on what price they want. So this is what these companies do, bro. They know the fucking game, bro. We're talking about the world's smartest people, billionaires and trillion-dollar companies. They know the system. They have everybody in their pockets. They already know the ways that they're going to fucking, soar off of earnings is announce a new product, announce a stock buyback, or announce a stock split or future projections. So it's like you do any of those, and you do any of those, and the market and the stock is going to rip. It's crazy because a stock buyback is literally the biggest cheat code in the world. They'll be like, oh, we're buying back $100 billion of the company with available cash. Okay, now that's $100 billion business expense that they don't have to pay business taxes on. So that just saved them $30 billion right there. Now, because they announced a $100 billion stock buyback, no, now it pumps up the stock fucking 10-15%, and the fucking market cap of the fucking stock increases by 300-400 billion. They literally bought back $100 billion of the company for free. Yeah, same exact thing. Yep. Well, that's what I'm saying. I think they do a 10-to-1 stock split because how much more promising does Nvidia sound at $90 to the everyday investor? Because people are looking at it like, oh shit, $900. That's an expensive stock. I can't afford that. Nas is ripping, yeah. ES making new highs here too. I can't believe I missed this fucking trade again. Yo, I'll be right back. I'm gonna let the dog out. Ace, listen to me. You have to behave. Listen to me. You have to behave. You have to behave. Zeus, you gotta give him his space. Zeus? Stop. Oh, cut it out. Yeah. Hey, you better cut it out. Something's scratching the door right now. Boom, new all-time highs right there. Damn, I'm so fucking mad I missed that trade. Every time it makes all-time highs, we see a little bit of a wick and then a swap to the red side. It looks like the sellers are like fighting back. All right. This is so fucking annoying. These dogs are going nuts right now. Nah, dudes. It's 850 square feet. Well, yeah, dude. It's 3 people too, 1 bathroom. All right, some red is coming in here. Yeah. No, just 1. Yeah. That's usually actually where my office is. I converted my living room into an office and then just put like blinds up and stuff like that and like a wall. Because I hate working in my bedroom where it's like I'm in here all day long working and then it's like it's hard for me to go to sleep because it's like it's like a, I don't know how to explain it, but like it's like a weird energy. It's like, you know, like your bedroom's made for you to lay down and go to sleep, like not be in all day long and then go lay down. Like it felt weird. We're about to test this 810 area again on NQ. Yeah. I'm looking at 810 to 807.50. The bottom of that wick. About 3 candles back on the 5. Yo, obviously I'm not gonna buy a car right now, but man, dude, there is some sick ass cars for like right around that like 75 to 100K mark. Dude, like I'm looking at a 2021 Aston Martin Vantage, 80 grand, gorgeous. The Shelby GT500, gorgeous, like my dad's car, gorgeous, fucking fast as shit. Um, what else? You could get the fucking gorgeous C8 Corvette, the new Corvettes, fucking insane. Not even, bro. You could get a nice one right now for like 82. Remember that black one I sent you with the Boston rims? I think I sent it to you. Dude, it was like what? It was like what? 82 grand. It had like 3,000 miles on it. Oh, you're looking at a Land Cruiser? Oh, okay, yeah, yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. I think I'm gonna need to see a picture of it, but I think I know what you're talking. Oh, right hand drive, sick. Hi, big boy. Hi, big boy. You can't jump on my chair. No. Yeah, no, that thing will last forever. Dude, yo, does it fuck with you? I've never driven right hand drive before. Yeah, 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 yeah. Because it's everything's backwards and you're like not used to it. 1 second. There's a lot of paint missing off that. not made for 150-pound dogs. It's cracked and jump on. That wall is actually from Ace. That hole. Yeah, Ace jumps into the chair to look out the window and sends the fucking chair flying into the wall over and over again. Little rat. It works, but not great. It's like, huh? Yeah, no, it's I've been charging for it. It's just good, like fucking like drive into the fucking carpet like really hard, so I get anything up and go back and forth, like rip it out. No, it has nothing to do with that. It's just not a vacuum for dog hair. That's just that simple. It's a broomstick vacuum. They're not strong. They're wireless. They have a shitty battery, and it's a CPR vacuum. I need one of those scrapers, the little scraping tool or whatever. You scrape the carpet and get all the fucking hair out. Yeah. All right, boys, I gotta work now, please. Oh, man, dude, fuck. All right, retested that 810 area. Did you grab any? Nice. These fucking dogs are going nuts, dude. Okay. Yeah, bro, the fucking the live one got all fucked because it was honestly my fault, obviously, but I took how do I even explain it? I can't concentrate with these fucking dogs barking. I was trading the 250K account because they were $18 or whatever, and it was like, oh, if you pass within like 4 days, your activation fee was on a discount as well. Because so the activation fee once you pass the demo phase on the 50K account is $160, but on the 250K account it's like $340. So if you passed the 250K account prior to prior to like the coupon expiring in like 3 or 4 days, you only paid $80 to activate the account. So like all in, the account cost you $18 and it would cost you $80 to activate. So it was like all in, you were $100 into a 250K account, when like normally that would be like 500. So what I was doing was like that was the day that CPI came out, so I was trading like CPI and like just like sending fucking 10 NQ contracts, or 8. It was like 7 or 8 NQ contracts, like the big boys, and I accidentally did the account linking, not realizing that I was on NQ and not MNQ. And I had like $1,700-$1,800 worth of drawback on the account because I took like a red trade the day before or whatever, and which was no big deal. I could have easily got out of it, but the fact I bought 8 NQ contracts, and by the time I fucking realized I was able to get out, it was like literally just closed out the position. Like it was like fucking down $1,500 in like fucking 8 seconds, bro. It was fucking disgusting. And I was like, well, there goes my fucking PA that I just fucking paid for. I was pissed. Yeah, dude, I can't catch a break. Grabbing some decent green here. We gotta break this 820 area. ES looks pretty strong. Hopefully ES pushes NQ up a little bit higher. ES has 4 consecutive green candles with decent sized bodies on them on the 15, where NQ has a current red candle on the 15. So ES looks like it's getting a little bit stronger. Oh, you're in ES too, right? Nice. How much are you up right now? 300? Nice. Fire. Nice. Let's get it. Yeah, bro. Slowly and surely. Nah, dude. You're doing really good. It's like before we started working together, you were at that like weird like break-even phase where it's like, oh, you need to just fine-tune it a little bit and like get it down. And now that it's like since we've been working together, it's like I've already seen so much progress in you, like your levels and everything. It's that extra like confirmation. It's like, oh, okay, I'm not tripping. Also, he sees this. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine though. You have to be within a few points. But yeah, no, definitely my levels have been snapping like fucking going crazy. I mean, they typically have been, but my execution has just been so poor lately. No, I know that. It's like more or less like I just don't like these fucking working with these prop firms and all the bullshit rules and the fucking fake money and demo money and like just everything going on right now and shit. Just been fucking been through it's been throwing me been throwing me off. Yes sir. Let's see if we break some new highs here. Dogs are going fucking nuts. I'm honestly not even sure what we do here because it just keeps going higher and higher and higher and higher. But I wouldn't even mind you locking in profit soon, or like taking a little bit of the position off. Like if you're in 5 contracts at like 1 or 2, eliminate your risk a little bit, increase your stop loss maybe. Like start practicing some strategies like that. And you know how to trim a few, correct? Okay. Just want to make sure I showed it to you because I know in trading view it's a little wacky. Or you could create a limit order, just change the quantity, create a limit, like a sell limit order or whatever, and then just drag it to the current price. Like put it higher and then just drop it down. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Dude, that's amazing, bro. What are you up $60 on? On ES? How many contracts did you say you got? Gotcha. Perfect. Yeah, maybe take 4 and 2 off if you want. Because it looks like it still wants more to the upside. It's just like how high does it go? Because we're just dabbling with these all-time highs, and these wicks are getting a little worrisome going into almost 10:30. Hey, listen, there's a saying in the industry: nobody ever goes broke locking in profits. Everything above this 825 area is all wick, no body. Perfect. You still have rolling profits, so. What do we want to do here? Is this another fucking typical move where we got an hour of goodness and then terrible shit after? Yeah, now it goes sideways up and down a 20-point range on NQ and a 7-point range on ES, and then it just doesn't do shit until fucking. And bro, it's also it feels like the markets are waiting for this Nvidia report coming up. You know what I'm saying? Like it's like. Yeah, I'm gonna trade another 40 minutes and like go hit the gym and stuff. You got a lot going on today? Oh, good. Yeah, yeah, I feel you. Oh, my dad just got a nail in his tire too. It's a pain in the ass to fix, but at least it's nice out today for you. Yeah, you just plug it from the outside. It takes like 5-10 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, I remember my dad. Oh, good. Oh, you do. Is it fronts or backs? Oh, so you can't just cut the wheel enough to reach the nail? To plug it? Okay, yeah, so you can't cut the wheel enough. Yeah, exactly. Some NASCAR shit. Man, is this the fucking method, bro? Just literally buy longs at open and just fucking walk away? It's like watch the one day we do that, we get cooked. Bro, I swear to God, like I'm the one of the best traders I know with the worst luck. The dogs are fighting still. I do. And it's like I hate to be that person to go, I keep getting fucked. And I keep blaming the markets. It's just like unfortunate shit happens. No, that's what I'm saying. It's just a matter of time. I want to get back to my like 25,000 dollar months right now though. It's like I'm nowhere near that right now. Well, that on top of your salary would fucking kill it. You fucking stop? Stop! Holy fuck, these dogs are driving me nuts, dude. Dude, that video you just put on Instagram is sick. Oh, dude, Instagram does that where it fucks with your resolution of your video. It's like, yo, you literally, I forget what it was, but like you can't record in like 4K on your phone. You have to like record it in like 1080p or something like that. Like look up how you have to actually record it, but it's like some reds coming in here, bro. Retesting this 800 area. Right, every little dip grabs some all. Yeah. Oh wow, yeah, you could see the complete difference in the videos. I like the little cutout you got in the bumper. What is that, a turbo in there, right? Oh, gotcha. Yeah. Yeah, man. Dude, don't be scared to. Watch, once you lock it in, it's gonna make all-time highs. Promise it. I promise it. Dude, you already know how it goes. The market is like, oh yeah, I'm gonna fuck with y'all today. Yeah, let's fuck with him a little bit more. I'm like, I don't know. I don't know what the fuck I did in a previous world, man, but fuck. Whatever I did, my fault. Oh, sick. Oh my god, really? Wait, say that one more time. They want to what? Oh, is that like settlements? Yeah, well, that's exactly what we're looking for. Dude, that's amazing. Hopefully this trial just gets out the way. Yeah, oh, yeah, exactly. Like, this is one step in the right direction, but job not finished. Yeah, like that, the Kobe quote. Dude, not to get all like conspiracy theory and shit, but I've heard some skeptical things that he was like he had like $1 billion contract with like that water company and stuff like that. And the next day he was like he was planning on doing something with his like ownership stake in the company or something like that. And then ironically he passed away in a helicopter accident. And it's like, like don't go, it's a conspiracy theory type shit, but it's we have definitely seen this type of shit before. All right, we're retesting this A10 area. Oh yeah, the hydrogen system. Yeah, no, I remember hearing about that. Yep. Look at what Boeing's doing right now with the whistleblowers. They have people on the inside that are like, oh yeah, this high level executive knew that the planes had bad parts in it, but didn't want to crash the stock price, so they flew anyways with it. And what's it called? And then it was like the reason why the Boeing planes crashed was because of this issue, and it caused hundreds of lives and millions of dollars in damage. And now it's like people are coming out and fucking like, oh yeah, like they knew about this and this was all planned. And now it's fucking, I think 3 or 4 whistleblowers already got killed. Like what? Like, are we not going to investigate this? Oh, right. We're not going to investigate this because the government's in your pocket. Oh, that's right. You make the planes for the governments. Oh, right. Shocker. Yeah, bro. Dude, it's so funny. Like my girl doesn't like know anything about like shit like this. She's just like an oblivious woman, right? And like I tell her about like the corruption and like politics and money printing and like what really causes inflation and government contracts and what they do with the money they print and how they fund wars and whistleblowers being murdered and people hush money and everybody's in each other's pockets. Like I explained all that shit to her, and she was like, "Oh my god," she was like. She was like, yo, I can't believe that A, I didn't know any of this, and now that I do know it, I can't stop thinking of it. And I'm like, all right, I'll just like stop telling you shit. I was like, I don't want to like worry you out more and shit. I was like, I only know this. Yeah, well, I only know this shit and like look into it though because of what I do for work, because it's all going to affect stock prices. You got out of that, right? Nice. Yeah, we're getting a double red candle here on the 15. I like that close, honestly. We failed to break that the body high on NQ at the 825 area. If we retest like 800, it's a potential buy, but I don't really trust it. 800, 790. Yeah. I'm probably actually going to cut it early. I'm probably going to be out in like 15 minutes so I could like go to the gym and get some shit out the way. I'm going to try to come back and trade the Nvidia earnings. Because it's like if Nvidia fucking rips, bro, you just buy NQ, right? The fucking bell, bro, and make $1,000 in 10 seconds. It's like a high risk play, but it's like who cares because you're on the demo account. Yeah, I'm probably calling this in like 15 minutes. Yeah. I don't know. You could already see the sideways choppy action happening between 825 and 800. Again, we just had that 20-point chop, like I said earlier. I think that's what we keep getting is this 20-point chop. Yeah. Because the markets don't know where it wants to go because we're literally waiting for the Nvidia earnings to see our next direction. Yo, peep your phone. Oh, what do you know? Nvidia's literally right at a squeeze point, so it either rejects this or fucking breaks through. Ironic how that always tends to fucking happen, huh? Ironic how every time there's a big event coming up, the stock is right at a fucking key level. But yeah, and do that like at least an hour before, because there's gonna, if you want to do it, I'm saying. No, 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 literally no, just no stop loss. If you're wrong, you lose $18. Well, calculate it. depending on how many contracts you want. The profit target's 15. So every 5 contracts is $100 a point. So if you go 5 contracts, you need to do 150 points. If you go, no, but that's what I'm saying, bro. Like, fuck it, dude. That's what people were doing with the CPI data, bro. With 10 accounts linked together, and like that's if you saw anyone posting, oh yeah, I made 150 grand today. That's how. Is one person would buy long, one person would buy short, 10 accounts each, and then whoever hit is who would fucking post the profits, and whoever missed lost fucking 10 accounts at $18 a piece, so $180. Like literally a win-win, bro. Honestly, it was a giant loophole in the system because the day that they released that crazy deal was the day that CPI was around. The next day. I did that actually, but I fucking shorted it and fucking and it went up. I was like, of course, my luck. I had 50-50 on that coin flip. Trade of 250. The 250 account is on sale for the same price as the 50K account. So it's going to drop the price from like 560 to 180, and then on top of the 180, you get 90% off right now. So that's why it's only $18. And it's like, even if you want to, yeah, my coupon code. I don't know. I got to go back in our chat. It starts, it's a ZL. I got it right here. I sent it to you on Discord. ZLOOBQBI or some shit like that. Once I hit $100 in commissions, then I could customize my own coupon code for like my initials or like no cap trading or whatever I want it to be, so it's easier. But I reached out to them and they told me I have to get $100 in commissions. Yeah, bro, because yeah, dog, like it's an account we don't care about. Cause it's like, yo, like honestly, nothing for nothing, like, bro, literally buy 10. No, seriously, if you hit the trade, bro, you get fucking 2.5 million in funding. If you're wrong, you're out $180. No, you won't. Oh, you're actually gonna do multiple accounts? The deal ends tomorrow, so. But yeah, you could just log into each individual account, and set up your order. You could even set up a limit order too with it, where yeah, dude, we're just gonna chop sideways, by the way. You could also set up a limit order with it where, what's it called? Like, you don't even get in right now. You get in, once we retest another important level. But then you run the risk of not getting in the trade at all. Yeah. And don't go too heavy because, you gotta give it a little bit of wiggle room. That's why I was saying, like, no, 10 is pretty heavy. Because, yo, like 10 contracts, bro, like you have 6,500 in drawdown. 10 contracts is, what, $200 a point? So that's only 33 points of drawdown. You see how I calculate that? 10 contracts, you would need about 75 points of profit. Yeah, it's already in. Well, you don't even have to do, bro, listen, you don't even have to do that. Once you buy the accounts, they're automatically linked to your trading view. You just have to go to your bottom left where it will say like account number 003 or whatever, And then you click on that, it will give you a drop down of all your accounts. You switch to 004, 005. It's like, it's just one click from TradingView. You don't have to log in, you don't have to log out, nothing. You should in this situation, don't worry about the trade linking. Yeah, don't worry about trade linking in this situation. Just worry about, like, because you're only doing it in 2 accounts. It's one thing if you're scalping and you're only grabbing 8 points and, blah, blah, blah. Then you can't go from account to account. But if you're doing it this way where it's like, oh yeah, I'm just holding all day and whatever the fuck happens, then so be it. Some Reddit's coming in here. Shit, send me over your credit card number. I'll grab 8 more. And then just calculate where you have to put your TP. Sounds like 150 points, so I would do like 153 points. And granted, bro, even if you don't get the whole 150 points, let's just say you get half of it out of the way. It's like you still have the account. You could trade it slow again. Or you could swing trades, or, you could just size up in that account and not really care. I like the idea of like, oh yeah, like we know a big swing is going to happen here. It's like, let's just fucking roll the dice on it for 18 bucks. A lot of, very high projection with very low risk. Some green is now coming in, holy shit. Dude, this is all over the place today. Yeah, I'm definitely stepping away in a second. Yeah, I'm gonna fucking call it here, fuck this. Yo, and if you have any questions with it, just give me a call on my personal phone. Yeah, I'm gonna go make some breakfast. I'm starving. All right, bro. Yo, we'll talk in a little bit, okay? Enjoy golf.